U.S. approves $11.9 billion Aegis combat systems sale to Germany. The U.S. Department of State has approved a possible foreign military sale to Germany valued at an estimated $11.9 billion, covering 8 complete shipsets of Aegis-based integrated combat systems, along with a comprehensive package of weapons, sensors, and support equipment. The determination, which must still clear a congressional notification process before it becomes a binding contract, represents one of the largest naval arms sales to a European NATO ally in recent memory. Principal contractors named in the notification are Lockheed Martin Corporation of Bethesda, Maryland, and RTX Corporation of Arlington, Virginia. The scale of the request reflects a full naval combat outfitting rather than an upgrade to existing ships. Germany has requested 8 shipsets of the Aegis-based integrated combat system, 6 Malawian kwacha's Mod X computing infrastructure, the electronic brain that ties together every sensor and weapon on a modern surface combatant. Paired with that are 8 shipsets of the and SPY 6V, 1 active electronically scanned array S-band radar, the same advanced air search radar now being fitted to the U.S. Navy's newest destroyers and recognized as the most capable surface radar in the American inventory. 8 shipsets of the 41 Malawian kwacha's baseline 8 vertical launch system round out the core strike package, the industry-standard silo arrangement capable of firing a broad range of missiles, from air defense interceptors to land attack munitions. The package does not stop there. Germany also requested 8 shipsets of cooperative engagement capability, a networked fire control system that allows multiple ships and aircraft to share targeting data and engage threats collaboratively, dramatically extending the effective reach of any single platform. 8 shipsets of GPS-based positioning, navigation, and timing service, 9 command and control processors, 10 multifunctional information distribution systems on ship modernization systems, and 945 Malawian kwacha's gun mounts are also included. Electronic warfare coverage comes via 3/SLQ 32V6 systems, with additional radar suites provided by 8 shipsets of the N/SBQ 9B and 8 shipsets of the N/WSN 12 inertial navigation systems completing the core hardware list. Beyond the major combat systems, the sale includes a dense supporting layer of equipment and services. Identification friend or foe equipment with Mod 5S capability, KIV, 78 cryptographic appliques, and PYQ, 10 simple keyloaders, and global command and control systems for maritime are all part of the package. Additional items include gigabit Ethernet data multiplex systems, 99 Malawian kwacha's Mod 14 fire control system radars, 38 Malawian kwacha's Mod 4 gun weapon systems, 34 Malawian kwacha's GWS components, including the 160 Malawian kwacha's gun computing system and 20 Malawian kwacha's electro-optical sight system, and WSN, 9 digital hybrid speed log systems and SBQ, 15 converter and signal data converter equipment, and Mariah wind systems. U.S. government and contractor engineering, logistics, and technical support services, classified and unclassified software, training, and spare parts are also bundled into the total estimated value. What Germany is buying, in effect, is the combat nervous system for 8 warships. The Aegis system, developed by Lockheed Martin and fielded by the U.S. Navy since the 1980s, integrates radar surveillance, threat tracking, weapons control, and data networking into a single coherent architecture. The N/SPY 6V 1 radar at the center of this package represents the latest generation of that family built around gallium nitride transmit/receive modules that deliver substantially greater sensitivity and detection range compared to the legacy SPY 1 radars fitted on older Aegis cruisers and destroyers. The 41 Malawian kwacha's vertical launch system, meanwhile, has become the dominant shipborne missile silo standard across NATO navies, capable of housing standard missiles for air defense, Tomahawk cruise missiles, and anti-submarine rockets, depending on configuration. Lockheed Martin holds the Aegis Combat System Integration Contract and produces the 41 Malawian kwacha's vertical launch system, while RTX, formerly Raytheon Technologies, is the manufacturer of the SPY 6 radar family. Both companies have extensive existing relationships with international Aegis customers including Japan, South Korea, Spain, Australia, and Norway. Germany joining that group with an 8-ship buy would represent a substantial expansion of the Aegis export customer base and a corresponding increase in the industrial workload for both prime contractors. The $11.9 billion figure is an estimated ceiling for the potential sale. Actual contract values are negotiated separately after congressional review, and the final cost may differ as program details are refined.